So over here, you can see that I have a project right here. And let's say what I want to do is I want to download out this project. So in that case, what you can do is you can go around and click on download over here. And once you do that over here on the select file type section, you can go around and select out different file types, which may be PNG, JPEG, PDF, or MP4 right here. So if there are some animations in your particular design, you can download your project as MP4 as well. But let me just go around and select out PNG over here and click on download. And what happens is that you can see that it downloads out the file as a PNG file right here. Let me just go around and save it right here. And it downloaded it as multiple files. That is because I got multiple pages of the project right here. So this is what you have, as you can see. So let's just go around and close this right here. And then you can also go around and download it out in other formats like JPEG. If your design is more of like a collection of flat designs right here, then what you can do is you can utilize out PNG. And if it is more picture based, then you can go around and select JPEG right here. You can also go around and just select out one single page or two single pages as well. It does not need to be multi-page itself. So I'm just going to go around and click on current page, and then what happens is that it only downloads out that particular file right here, just like this. So this is what you have, as you can see, a single file right here. So if I were to go around over here and click on download, then you can also download this as PDF file right here. And for multi-page design, this is a suitable format as well. That is because you simply have multiple pages right over here as well. And another thing that you can do is you can go around and download this as an MP4. That is a video file as well. And what happens is that it goes around and then you can see that it creates out a video file right here that is in MP4 format. And if I were to click right here, then this is what you have. It comes in like a slideshow, as you can see, just like this. So that is how you can go around and download out your projects in different formats from Microsoft Designer. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.